Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You should understand why bypassing iPhone restrictions is risky before proceeding. Jailbreaking removes built-in security and can expose your personal data. It often voids warranties and violates terms of service. Once you know the consequences, make sure to consider safer alternatives like App Store apps, test flight, or contacting developers for features. If you value device integrity, avoid techniques that circumvent protections. Instead, pursue legitimate customization and approved developer tools to get needed functionality. You can achieve many goals without bypassing system protections, and you should prepare by securing your data first. Back up to iCloud or local Finder so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, explore shortcuts, developer profiles, or test flight for experimental apps. These options preserve security while adding flexibility. If you need deeper changes, make sure to consult authorized service centers or vetted developers who can recommend legal, safer solutions rather than promoting jailbreak tools. If you remain intent on modifying device software, despite risks, pause and confirm the legal and warranty implications where you live. You should contact official support first and exhaust sanctioned options. Make sure you have a verified, complete backup and a clear recovery plan that protects your data if something fails. If problems occur, stop immediately and seek professional repair or restore from backup. This approach minimizes harm and keeps your choices informed and reversible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.